Hello children, let's begin our today's class with this thought. Time is like a river. Children, you cannot touch the same water twice because the flow that has passed will never pass again. So enjoy every moment of life and use it for your progress. Use it qualitatively. Children, we have already studied about the different geometrical shapes such as cylinder, sphere, cuboid and cone. Today we will solve some examples based on these shapes. So let's start. In your textbook, page number 4, see this question. Question is match the pairs. Children, here on the left side there are some shapes and on the right side there are name of shape. You have to match the correct shape with correct name. So let's start. So see, first which shape is this? This is a cuboid. So draw a correct pair. Draw a line to the spelling cuboid. Then next, which shape is this? This is sphere. So draw a line towards a sphere. The third one is, this is cylinder. So draw a line with the spelling cylinder. And the last shape, this is cone. So draw a line properly towards the cone. In this way, we can match the correct shape with the name of the shape. Now see next question. Which of the following objects will slide? Which one will roll? Children, there are two new terms. First one is slide and another is roll. Now what is meant by slide? Slide means to move something along a straight line. To move without turning or rolling over. Okay, so these flat objects, the objects such as these whose base is flat will always slide. Flat objects will slide. Slide means to move something along a straight line without turning or rolling. Generally, flat objects will slide. And second one is roll. What is mean by roll? Roll means to move something by turning it over and over. Generally, round objects will roll. So, among these four objects, we have to decide which object will slide and which one will roll. So, see this first object. This is round in shape and we know that round object will roll. So, here I am writing R for rolling. See the next figure. The shape of this is cuboid. Base is flat and we know that flat object will slide. So, this object will also slide. So, I am writing S here. The third figure, it is cylinder, but it is placed vertically, means flat base is there and flat object will slide. So, this will slide. And see this last figure, this is also a cylinder, but here the curved surface is there. So, it is round in shape. So, this will roll. I am writing R here. So, R means rolling and S means sliding. Children, in this way, you have to complete all these, match the pair and the second question in your textbook itself. Now, moving towards the page number 5. See the next question. handle the objects shown below. Observe and write how many edges and corners each object has. There are some geometric shapes and you have to write the number of edges, means number of sides, and corners for these geometric shapes. So let's start one by one. See this first figure. This is a figure of cuboid. This is figure of cuboid. And how many edges are there in cuboid? There are 12 edges. So I am writing 12 here. And how many corners? There are 8 corners. So in a cuboid there are 12 edges and 8 corners. See the next geometric shape. The next geometric shape is cone. So number of edges 1. There is one circular edge. So number of edge for cone is 1 and number of corner 1. There are 1 edges and 1 corners. Third figure is, this is cylinder. Again this is first circular edge of cylinder and this is second circular edge of cylinder. So how many edges are there? There are 2 edges, 2 circular edges, and there is no corners in a cylinder. So we write 0 here. And the last figure is, it is a sphere, ball. And we know that the sphere has no edges and no corners. So number of edges 0, number of corners also 0. So in this way you have to complete these boxes in your textbook itself. See the next question now. Say which of the objects in the pictures will slide, which one will roll. So here are some pictures and you have to write which object will slide and which one will roll. So let's start one by one. See this first picture. This is a dais, and for dais flat base is there, and we know that flat object will slide. So this dais will slide. I am writing here S for slide. And see, this is a ball which is round in shape, and round object will roll. So this ball will roll. I am writing R here for rolling. See the next figure. This is again round in shape, and we know that round object will roll. Again I am writing R here. In the third picture there is a coin. First coin, the same coin is there. In this figure it is arranged. The base is flat. So this coin will slide as there is a flat base, and this will roll as it is round. So in this way you have to complete this portion in your maths textbook itself. Okay children, so we have completed our lesson number 2. Let's handle geometric shape. In the next period we will see the next lesson. Till then, happy learning.